Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to solve the issue when we are downloading any applications or installing any applications from the Play Store. You'll be getting one message waiting for network. This generally happens because of two reasons. Apart from this, we used to get one message called waiting for Wi-Fi. So this is quite different from that. Yeah. So we will see now. We will first see any application which is already installed in like we can say we'll see what application we have already. Yeah, just assume we have yatra.com. Yatra. Yeah, here is the Yatra. Now we will uninstall this Yatra. Okay. Yeah. Now we will try to install it again. When we are installing, it's saying waiting for network. So this is the issue we will be getting always. Like it will be saying waiting for network and it will keep on going like that. And only it is able to download when we are connecting through Wi-Fi. So generally what we will do, we'll go to the downloads. We will open these downloads. And here we will click start all. So once we will click start all, it will we can see here is getting started. Now it's getting downloading, 30 seconds is 26 is pending. But the problem with this is once we will come out of this downloads, it will stop at that point. It will not go beyond that. So this is happening because of one setting which is very tough to get into that, and I found that and I'm going to show you now. So again, if you are opening this download, it will open again. See, it will start downloading. Yeah, it's started downloading. And once we will go to the off the download, it will stop again. See, it's got to stop. So the setting is we'll go first see the yatra.com. Yatra. Okay. Now we'll cancel this. Now we will go to the setting. Yeah, we'll go to the setting. We'll go to the applications, install applications. We'll go to download. Yeah, here we have subset of settings. We'll first set this auto start to on. By default it will start. Now in here this all two check marks should be checked, and we'll go back. Now we will go to security. Okay, we'll go to the security ones. Here security, then we will go to the data uses, then data uses stats. Here we will get one application called downloads, system applications, downloads. Yeah, so mobile on, Wi-Fi is also on, but here we can see that background data is off. This is what causing the problem. We'll on it, we'll go back, we'll close this. Now we'll close this also. We'll come to Yatra again. Now we'll try to install this. Now guys, let's see. It started without any applications open and it's getting on. You can see it here. It's installing. It's installing. Yes, it's installing. Yeah, and it's installing. Thank you guys for watching this video. Have a wonderful day to you.